بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
The simple present, also called the present simple or the present indefinite tense. We use the simple present to talk about repeated actions, daily routines, storytelling, etc. Affirmative sentences.
नवट, अगर कोई फाल एक्स, एस, सी एच, एस एच या ओ पर ख़त्म हो तो फाल के आखिर में ई एस का इजाफा होगा, बसूरत दीगर सिर्फ एस होगा.
Teachers work in schools. They help their students to learn. They order books, explain lessons, give home and correct papers. At the end of every term, they grade their students. He writes on the blackboard. Shazia washes clothes. She speaks English. The children make a noise in the class. With the simple present, we often use adverbs of frequency to say how often we do something. Here's a list of common adverbs. Shafiq often buys books. Nadia seldom comes to class. Do you ever buy a pen? Negative sentences. He does not write on the blackboard. Shazia does not wash clothes. She does not speak English. The children don't make a noise in the classroom. Interrogative sentences. Does Shazia wash clothes? Do the children make a noise in the class? Do you buy a pen? Don't you speak English? Does he write on the blackboard? Does the sun rise from the east? My daughter gets up at 6 a.m. and then she brushes her teeth. Later then she takes a shower. After shower, she takes her breakfast and then she goes to school. Enjoy your lesson. Thank you very much and do not forget subscribing, liking and sharing. Improve your vocabulary visually on YouTube. It is all for you.